Hey guys, so here's the thing. I have to use this bowl, right? And I have blueberry muffins inside of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and bake these off. These are blueberry muffins in here, and pan them up, throw them in the oven. And while those are baking, I will continue on with the ice cream. Let me pull this down a little bit. All right. I believe this has to be on 375. Yes. Uh-oh. Oh, scared me. Now, I don't know if this is going to make 12, but we're going to have to see. Blueberry muffins or muffins, period, always taste better after being refrigerated for a longer amount of time than overnight. My best results always happen with muffins after they're in the fridge for at least 2 nights. So these should be perfect. If you're wondering why I don't have liners, it's because I don't have liners. But that ain't gonna stop the show. Hey, 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 hey. All right, scrape this out. I might make a little mini muffin. You don't gotta be perfect, but get as much out as you can. All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some blueberries on top. I need to mash them a little bit like that. It smells so good. Last three. I should put that one in there. There we go. I'm gonna give y'all a quick overview. What I got going on over here. Okay, my oven is nice and preheated to 375. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in for like 25 minutes. For like 25 minutes. Okay, those are in the oven. Now we can go ahead and wash our bowl, and I'll be right back. All right, to check to see if any pastries are finished, you always take a toothpick. Don't be like me. I always drop them at the bottom of the oven. Don't be like me also. Don't drop your phone at the bottom of the oven. My kids always ask me, "What happened to your phone? What happened to your phone?" Yeah, I was trying to film, and I dropped my phone at the bottom of the oven. So these are not done because, as you can see, they're still wet. It needs to be dry. So we got about how many minutes left? We had about 10 minutes left. So in 10 minutes, I'm going to check on it again. And yeah, I'll show you guys how to package them as well. I guess this makes up for the fact that we couldn't do the ice cream today, which is fine because I'll just see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, I'll be back after I clean up my mess, and stay tuned. All right, guys, my timer just went off. Here comes the moment of truth. See how much darker they look? And watch when I put my toothpick in it. See, when it's a little crummy like that, that is a good sign. They are done. They are done. Okay? Check all of them, because you never know. So, what I do, instead of talking about it, I'm going to show you. Rag. Turn your oven off. All right. Okay, I always take a parchment paper. Okay, I'm going to take my 2 spatulas here. Go around the muffin. It's a little difficult at first because I'm taking them out right after. So I'm going to make sure that the bottom does not stick. Okay. Hope y'all can see me. Nice and baked. Nice bottom. Nice texture. Since this one is ripped, I'll just show you guys the inside. I might eat this one later. Nice texture. Okay, we're gonna save this one for my mom or me. Okay. All right. So here's what I have so far. Can you guys see that? And we're just gonna let those cool outside of the pan, and then I'm gonna go ahead and package them. But for now, I'm gonna clean up my mess, and I'll see you guys in about probably 3 minutes, but like 1 second to y'all. But he said unto me, my grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. Therefore, I will boast all the more gladly about my weaknesses, so that Christ's power may rest on me. 2 Corinthians 12:9. Okay, and this goes on here. I'm going to separate it from these two. And this peels right off. I'm going to make sure that I block the part right here that opens the box. You might not see the scripture, which is okay. I just read it to y'all. It's not really covering that bottom part, but it's okay. I have another thing for that. I just put like a thank you sticker right here. And that's how I package my desserts. Good night, guys. Thumbnail. My hair looks a mess.